Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something absolutely essential for anyone passionate about vintage photography and keeping those classic 620 cameras alive and shooting. We're talking about the Etone 10X 620 empty axis take-up roll film spools. If you own a Kodak Medalist, a Tourist, an Agfa, or any other camera that takes 620 film, you know the struggle. Finding original 620 film can be a challenge, and often, the solution is to re-roll 120 film onto 620 spools. But what do you do for the take-up side? That's where these come in, and they are a game changer. This package gives you 10 brand new 620 film spools, and what immediately stands out is their construction. They are made from high-quality stainless steel. This isn't just a fancy detail. It means these spools are incredibly durable, resistant to corrosion, and built to last through countless re-rolls and film advances. Unlike old plastic spools that can become brittle or metal ones that might rust, these stainless steel beauties are designed for longevity, ensuring smooth operation inside your precious vintage camera. The compatibility is spot on. These spools are specifically designed for hand-rolling 620 film, fitting perfectly into all 620 format cameras. This means you can confidently respool your favorite 120 film, whether it's black and white or color, and know you have reliable take-up spools ready to go. It's important to remember that these are empty spools, not preloaded film, so the film color and exposures per roll, mentioned in some listings, are really about the film you choose to put on them. These are the robust foundation for your re-rolling endeavors. A crucial piece of advice that comes with these, and it's worth repeating, is about handling your re-rolled film. Once you've successfully re-rolled your film, it's vital to protect it from light and moisture. The manufacturer wisely advises wrapping your films in tin foil, black paper, dark cloth, or any other opaque and dry material. Then store them in a cool, dry place. This simple precaution will save your precious exposures from fogging or damage, ensuring your efforts in re-rolling pay off with beautiful images. Having a reliable supply of these empty spools means you're always prepared to load up your 620 camera, keeping the art of film photography alive and well. These Etone spools are truly an indispensable tool for any 620 camera enthusiast.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.